So let's take AstraZeneca. Okay, so fantastic run up since 2018. We've seen it go up from 5,000, 10,000, 100% return. Don't get that on property nowadays, but you got an AstraZeneca. So what's going to happen given we're past COVID? Can this continue higher? Just worried it's a bit overbought. You've seen it ride these trends before. You see it over there. The MACD starts rising and then it falls back, and then this is where we are at the moment. So yes, I know you've got some great short-term gains, but can they continue? It's at all-time highs, and like I said, it's doubled. Can it double again in 3 years? I'm just a bit worried it's overbought, a little bit expensive potentially at the moment, and I'm just not buying into that uptrend at the moment. I know it's been in place for a hell of a long time, but it just looks a bit expensive. One way in which I might want to look at this is when I look at the confidence lines and look at 2 standard deviations around its mean. You can see it's near the top end, that blue line being the average trend of the stock. It's now at the top end, 2 standard deviations from the average of its mean over the past, 10 years. I'd rather be buying it when it's at the bottom of that range than at the top. That's my take on AstraZeneca at the moment.